All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Friday, April 13th, 2018. Recording this on Thursday evening. If there's anything important before the market open, I'll send out a note. And we do have financials reporting, which is why I'm starting the video with XLF instead of SPY, IWM, or the Qs. XLF, the financials ETF, pretty much looks like SPY here, although it does have a little bit of a better volume pattern than SPY. Same thing, sandwich between moving average, declining 50-day, but we have some news coming up that could get it over the 50-day or under the 200-day, and that is banks report tomorrow morning, Monday and Tuesday. So tomorrow morning, we've got Wells Fargo, we've got C, we've got JPM, so Citigroup and JP Morgan. I think it's Monday, Bank of America, Tuesday, Goldman Sachs. They might be flip-flop there. But basically, over the next 3 trading days, we have the big banks all reporting. That should set the tone for the market. Obviously, the market wants to see strong earnings, and that would get us up over the 50-day moving average here on XLF. So pay attention to that. That could set the direction for the market. Other than that, it's basically the same thing we've been doing, waiting for a break. Hopefully financials is the push that gets us over the 50-day moving average, and IWM here already over the 50-day, which is a good sign. Oil is a big part of that with IWM, and then the Qs also improving, getting very close here. So we're at key levels, and we've bounced up. We're kind of out of the woods in terms of bottom of the range here. So we don't have to worry about shorting at this point. Right now, it's do we get over the 50-day or not? Maybe that could happen tomorrow if there's really strong news pre-market. Otherwise, next week, we're going to be looking at that because not only is it banks, but earnings gets in full gear starting next week with Netflix reporting on Monday. So, and then we're going to get 80 to 100 stocks reporting every single day. So this could really help or hurt the market going forward. We've got, as we know, Netflix position here. Netflix reports after hours on Monday, so we can actually hold through Monday, through the weekend if we want. Ideally, what I'd like is a nice little push here to get us to the top of the range, and we can get out tomorrow. We'll see if that happens. Otherwise, this is basically stop moved up now to entry level, which was 295. So this is going to either be, unless there was a big gap down in the morning, this is either going to be break even, small win, or 2-to-1 win. So hopefully we get that 2-to-1 win tomorrow or Monday. So that's Netflix. Let's look at some other areas here. Oil has been very strong. You can see here has broke over the top of the range. Now we're just looking for some consolidation. We could even enter tomorrow and use a loose stop and let this play out. Let's look at energy. Right now, I'm more inclined to probably trade energy just because there's so much room to the upside here and a bunch of energy stocks that have been beaten down. So we've got Chevron on our list. Same stocks, DO, which has been very strong. RIG, which has been very strong. Halliburton, which should do good with strong oil prices. And we've got a top of the range at 56 there. And NOV also leading here way over its top of the range. It's already broke out. So these are all oil stocks on our focus list. Of course, we've got the FANG stocks. I'm not going to go through all of them, but it's basically the same thing. Needs to get up over the 50-day moving averages. SQ Square is already over its 50-day, so it actually triggered an entry today, although I'm not going to take it yet because I want the market to align before I take these types of entries. Wynn has also been very strong, casino stock. And then we're going to throw in a few others here now. So you can see we're getting ready in case the market breaks out. So we've got Watt here, which is getting close to the 50-day moving average, has been very volatile. And then we've got Under Armour, also has been very strong since the last earnings here. Looks like it might be bottoming. There's a lot of room to the upside, so it's a low-priced entry here with a lot of upside. Roku IPO is waking up here after a big pullback. Probably want to see it get up over the 50-day moving average, and then 2 more retails after Under Armour, which we've been watching. Lulu, tough to enter here, but a really strong stock, and Urban as well. And again, with these, you can't even tell that the market had pulled back. So remember, keep an eye out in the morning for Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and JPM. So that's it for the trade report. If there's anything important, which there could be with the bank's reporting, I'll send out a note in the market in the morning, either pre-market or after the open.